shaking now.
Fix your chair so your pedals are comfortable.
Now this way.
First foot on a brake. Start the car. Release, okay. Foot on a brake. Put no speeding, just let it run naturally. You didn't look, you need to look if there is car coming.
No car coming.
No, I don't want you to go fast. This camera cannot catch the speed. Slowly. You. There's no need to step on it. No need to step on it. Now, where are you looking? Okay, stop. Put foot on a brake. Okay.
I was checking to see if there was a car coming. Duh. Dad's there.
Ideš s ním drivovať? Ideš s ním drivovať around the block? No, ja nemám na to